Hi everybody, my name is Gabor, welcome to my channel. In this introduction, I'm going to explain the purpose of my channel and how to use my videos so they can be the most effective help for your learning. Now, before I do that, I just would like to say a couple words about myself. As I was saying, my name is Gabor, I'm living in London, United Kingdom. I'm a driving instructor, I'm teaching in the northeast part of the city. Now, first, let's start with the purpose of my videos and why I started this channel. So we got into this lockdown in March, which led to a tremendous amount of time at our disposal, but I didn't want to waste it. I rather just took it as an opportunity and tried to improve myself as an instructor, improve my skills. So I read a couple of books, I prepared some materials which we can use later on the lessons. But then I was thinking, what could I possibly do which could help you directly with your learning? So one night I was sitting at home and I found myself going back to the same type of questions which you often ask me. Questions regarding how can I improve myself in between lessons. And I thought that was something that would worth exploring. I didn't want to start a channel at first. I was just searching for existing videos on YouTube and I found fantastic instructors with amazing content, but the more I was thinking about it, the more it made sense to start my own. Because if you think about it for a second, if I'm making these videos in this car, which you also use for the lessons, I'm using my own type of language, you hear my voice, and all my videos are recorded on the streets of northeast London, the same place where you're taking your lessons. So all these together I think could be a lot more relatable for you and helps you get into the mindset of the lesson when you're watching them at home. So the purpose of the whole channel and the videos would be that you can actually actively learn even between the lessons. Alright, so let's discuss how to use these videos and how you can benefit from it the most. As I mentioned earlier, my number one target audience is my learners who are actually taking lessons with me. So first I'm going to start with an example which explains how to use for my learners. So let's imagine you just had your first lesson. You are a complete beginner, so we had to go through the cockpit drill, we had to learn the controls, how they work, what they do. Then we were able to practice moving offs and stops, and towards the end of the lesson you were doing a complete independent perfect move off and stopping. In that case, I would give you the videos regarding the controls, cockpit drill, move offs and stops, so you have a chance to use your spare time to go through a couple of times and be more prepared when you come for the next lesson. But also, depending on what is your goal for the next lesson, for example, you want to be able to drive all around the block of buildings where you're practicing, I would give you the videos ahead which covering that topic. So I would give you the video regarding turning left from a major to a minor road, and I would give you the video which talks about merging left at the T-junction. In this case, you would be more prepared for the next lesson, and we could use that time, the 2 hours time in the vehicle, more effectively, so we can take out the most from a lesson. If you're not one of my learners, in that case I'm sure it still can be helpful for you. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or if I can help you with anything. In case if you're a fellow ADI, I would like to know your input as well. I want to know what you think about my work. If you have any constructive critics, I'm happy to hear them. So again, just please write them in the comment section. If you want to use my videos, just go ahead. I don't see any reasons why not. I hope you can find them useful with your learners. At the end of the day, all that matters really here is that we make our roads safer, and it starts with the new drivers. So we as driving instructors, we need to use all the tools which we have available in order to help them become safer, more responsible and conscious drivers for life, so they wouldn't end up in life-changing or fatal accidents. I think that's all what we need to work towards and raise awareness about that. We as driving instructors, learners and their peers, because the peers of course they have a huge effect on the young drivers as well. Alright guys, so that's all for my introduction video. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Please drive safe and legal. See you next time.